Okay, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to have simple demonstration of face recognition project. Actually, our video will have two parts. The first part is user registration, where user will register by using computer camera, which is webcam. Then after, the last part of this video is actual process of user being recognized in front of webcam. So I'll give some few description of the source code. Also, I'll upload it to Motec GitHub account. So make sure you ready. You check out video description if you need to have source code. So actually, this is the source code for just your registering user by using webcam. User will input his or her name. Then after, it's about 100 photo will be taken from user who is in front of webcam. Then they will be stored in folder named as dataset. You can see it here. Let me show you. So this is the folder which store all pictures of registered user. As you can see, registered user will have their names as this folder, and they will have their pictures inside of their folder name. As you can see, user Motec will have different pictures here. It's about 100 picture. Another user will have picture. As you can see, item 100 item. So for each user being registered by our system, will be taken 100 pictures. After registering user is an actual process of recognizing user, whereby we will initialize rear video capturing by using OpenCv. Then after, we'll traverse all images present in folder named as a dataset to find which picture is matching with the person who is in front of camera. Now let me give you some few techniques which is or have been used in this project. Actually, I have used the hackers cascade to detect a face, and I have used the LBPH label binary pattern histogram technique to train or to develop face recognizer. So let's go to the actual demo. The first part, as I said, first is registering a user. So let me run this Python file dataset underscore maker to register myself. As you can see here below, name directory or name of person. My name is Moses, so I'm Moses. This is my name. So once I press enter, this Python script will take pic of photos of me, 100 photos of me. So let me press enter and you will see, right? So about 100 pictures will be taken and stored in a folder named dataset. Yeah, that's it. So let's see in our dataset. As you can see, in our dataset folder named as Moses is a subdirectory of dataset folder. And once you enter in this folder, you will see my pictures. You see, this is Moses, right? Yes, these are my pictures. So these pictures will be used in actual process of face recognition. So let's move to the actual process of face recognition. So I'm going to run this Python script named as face recognizer. Let me right click and run it and see what's happened. Okay, as you can see here, actually computer is able to recognize my face. As you can see here, this is my name. My name is Moses as I was registered. These numbers after hyphen is confidence level. It means how user is confident to recognize the in front of camera. So this is face recognition project demo. As I've said that you will gain a lot of things after watching this video. First of all, you will have an idea of how to develop your own face recognition project. As you can see that the first part of developing face recognition project is starting to register a user who will be recognized in a future step. After creating after creating a user recognition program or user recognition script, user registration. So after making dataset, it is actual process to create face recognizer, and the face recognizer is using the pictures or dataset of user taken during the process of registration. So in face recognition project, we can categorize into two groups or two categories. First is the process of registering a user, which you can make it possible by using Python, as you can see. And the second part, after obtaining dataset, it is then the time to create face recognizer. For our case, we have used the LBPH, label binary pattern histogram, to create face recognizer. So I hope you have enjoyed this project demo, and I'm sure so far so nice. You have gained something about face recognition. This is how you can develop your own face recognition in OpenCv, deep learning, and Python. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, put comment, and like. Because in coming video, I'll teach you how to develop this project. So this is just a project demo, but in coming days, I'll teach you how to develop your own face recognition project from the beginning up to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.